How is the entire process of a mini excavator from production to roll off the line and final delivery to your hands achieved? Hello everyone, I'm Lihan from HuaYee Factory. Welcome to the first episode of HuaYee Always by Your Side. In this episode, we'll take you inside our machinery factory, HuaYee, giving you a clearer insight into our brand. Let's go! Nowadays, the micro-excavator market is seeing brands popping up like mushrooms and a dazzling array of models available. While it seems to offer buyers plenty of options, it actually hides many purchasing pitfalls. You eagerly want to pick a rugged, durable machine that can stand up to high-intensity construction work, yet you often get overwhelmed by the countless flashy promotions. You value after-sales service quality highly, worrying about delayed responses to equipment breakdowns and slow supply of spare parts, which would delay construction schedules and drive up costs. What's more, you hope to find a cost-effective product without having to pay for inflated brand premiums. But trying to find a high-quality, reliable, after-sales, and budget-friendly micro-excavator in the messy online market is really like a game of chance. One wrong move, and you might fall into the traps of low price with shoddy components, or after-sales buck passing, making subsequent construction and operation a total nightmare. If you're tired of this luck-based purchasing approach, it's time to think more rationally. A truly reliable piece of equipment is never a lucky find. Instead, it speaks volumes for the brand's technical heritage, solid quality control, and comprehensive after-sales system. Looking at the global micro-excavator market, the cost-effectiveness edge of made-in-China ingenuity has long stood out. Compared with local European and American brands, domestic new machines boast a remarkably prominent price advantage. Even with additional costs such as international shipping and customs clearance included, the total procurement cost of HuaYee micro-excavators is still far lower than that of European and American models of the same configuration. This can significantly reduce your equipment investment budget and boost your return on investment. We never claim to be the cheapest brand in China because we fully understand that low prices often come at the expense of compromised quality. HuaYee has always adhered to the principle of quality first. From the selection of core components to the strict control over production processes, every single micro-excavator undergoes multiple inspection procedures. This ensures that the equipment maintains stable and durable performance in complex working conditions such as construction sites, farmlands, and municipal projects. What's even more noteworthy is that HuaYee's after-sales service system has long won widespread acclaim in both domestic and overseas markets. We have established an efficient after-sales response mechanism, providing timely technical support, supply of original spare parts, and professional maintenance guidance to completely eliminate your worries. Choosing HuaYee means you're not just buying a cost-effective micro-excavator, but also a long-term guarantee of quality and peace of mind. To let customers worldwide experience the robust quality of HuaYee micro excavators up close, we have established local warehouses in multiple countries. Whether you intend to make a purchase or simply want to inspect the equipment performance on site, you are welcome to visit our nearest warehouse. Here, you can operate the machines in person and directly experience their flexible control and stable performance. Even if you have no immediate purchase plan, we would be more than happy to open our doors for you, have a cup of coffee, talk about your working condition needs, and take a close look at the equipment details. Doing business is also about making friends. HuaYee has always believed that sincere communication is far more valuable than a single transaction. Choosing HuaYee gets you far more than just a high-quality mini excavator. Having been deeply rooted in the construction machinery industry for years, we have built a full-range product portfolio covering dozens of models, from mini excavators that maneuver nimbly in tight working spaces to large tonnage excavators capable of handling heavy earth-moving tasks, from high-efficiency loaders and forklifts to energy-saving new energy forklifts and even lawnmowers suitable for garden maintenance, and has gained wide recognition and trust from numerous customers at home and abroad, with its stable performance and superior quality. Whether you are a procurement manager for construction projects or an individual in need of equipment for your business, feel free to contact us whenever you have construction machinery needs. Our professional team will tailor the most suitable solutions to your requirements. You can also easily find HuaYee on major mainstream platforms such as Alibaba.com, AliExpress, Google, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and learn all about our products and services in an all-round way. Alright, this episode is drawing to a close. I believe you've gained a preliminary understanding of HuaYee. Going forward, I will keep updating video content covering new machines, equipment maintenance, our daily life in the factory, and whatever else you'd like to watch. I may not be as professionally knowledgeable as you viewers, but HuaYee will be a reliable machinery partner for you. We will tell you the pros and cons of our machines and recommend the right type and price range based on your current work requirements. Feel free to have lively discussions in the comments section. I really love seeing everyone exchange ideas, because that way we can all learn more together. All right, my friends, this is Lehan signing off. See you next time.
It's nights like this under a harvest moon. It came too fast and it's gone too soon. A wilted rose and a frozen tomb, a memory for the wind. Anyways, anybody notice that the sky